We got one more thing.
Oh yeah, I guess I got the chest mount.
Yeah, that's what he's got too.
Cut a hole in your head. Thomas. Right here.
We're the only ones. You can get some of that. We're the only ones. You're allowed to jump in if you want to.
I think I might buy one of these.
That works still?
Feels right.
Rebuild, make a change for the better. Yeah, we stay in the weather, we work great under pressure. Rebuild, 2 feet down on the ground. Never see me and my people go down for the count. Rebuild, yeah, we about to drop the hammer on it. Yeah, we climbing that hill and we standing on it. Yeah, we about to rebuild and we branding on it. Yeah, we about to rebuild and we branding on it.
Donnie, why'd you bring the towel, man? You going swimming?
I'm planning on it.
You're allowed to jump in?
You can jump in?
Yeah. I think you signed a consent form and you can jump in.
Oh,
There's no current.
rapids are there.
Yeah.
It's okay, you'll be tied up, Donnie.
Give him the
Hey,
life.
you better edit that. Blur my face out on those videos. Just kidding.
I didn't sign a consent form. I don't want to be on there either.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I should have brought a cigarette,
Yeah.
Tell some jokes, man.
He only knows racist jokes.
Homeboy will get kicked off the
Not
bus.
even joking. He only knows racist jokes.
Why do scuba divers always fall backwards off the boat?
Why?
Because if they fell forwards, they still be in the boat.
All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle, pay the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life. Yeah. All my life, been grinding all my life. Yeah. Sacrifice, hustle, pay the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life.
I need to get text. You can come over to me as well. Arm straight out for me.
And say uppies.
Uppies? Uppy?
Your head flat.
Subscribe, bro.
Hey!
Thompson River.
Nobody likes the metal boat or what? 2, 3. They seen the cushions and they're like, no.
One more over here.
10 or 12 on our boat.
Oh, anyone else can't read?
Yeah, I can.
With the front of the boat?
Let's go!
Oh, Jumbo!
The opposite on the whirlpool as it spirals down to the center. So if you get in those, you're gonna get sucked down under for maybe 10 seconds or more. The arm holding on to the other line. Yeah. So it's like floating like a zipper.
riding my own river today. It was sweet.
It was a great experience.
It is pretty fun, I gotta admit.
But let's just have a good rest of the day, and thank you all for coming.
Rebuild, make a change for the better. Yeah, we stay in the weather, we work great under pressure. Rebuild, 2 feet down on the ground. Never see me and my people go down for the count. Rebuild, yeah, we about to drop the hammer on it. Yeah, we're climbing that hill and we're standing on it. Yeah, we about to rebuild and we're branding on it. Yeah, we about to rebuild and we're branding on it. We never falling under pressure. No matter the weather, we always are up to measure. Put it in effort. Do it for the people that we do it for the ancestors. All blessings. Man, we got warrior blood running through our veins. So when it all falls down, we're going to make a change. Surviving through the storm, surviving through the rain, surviving through the flames, surviving through the pain, and we're back again. See me and my people, we never back down. If we're on the ground, guarantee we never stay down. You can catch a back fade, yeah, we're making rounds. Take an ounce from us and we take a pound. I'm a proud native and I say it loud, hear me now. You know it's us coming through, war cry, so you know what's up. Shout out to my warriors, yeah, we're staying posted up right here. Never leave until we are victorious. Make a change for the better, yeah, we stay in the weather, we work great under pressure. Rebuild, 2 feet down on the ground. Never see me and my people go down for the count. Rebuild, yeah, we about to drop the hammer on it. Yeah, we're climbing that hill and we're standing on it. Yeah, we about to rebuild